Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another video from California. I'm in Mammoth Lakes, California, and I'm at the beautiful earthquake fault, another natural wonder. So let me go and show you the earthquake fault in Mammoth Lakes.
The earthquake fault is located on public lands administered by the Inyo National Forest. At the parking area, visitors can find restrooms, picnic tables, and the beginning of the self-guided trail. The short, family-friendly 0.3-mile hiking trail descends deep into the rocky bowels of the fault and winds through majestic stands of old-growth red fir, Jeffrey pine, and lodgepole pine. Along the way, several interpretive signs provide information about the natural history, ecology, and preservation of the area. The easily accessible interpretive area has recently undergone a huge rehabilitation by the US Forest Service, and there is no charge for visitors. Located only minutes from downtown Mammoth Lakes, this rare natural phenomenon can easily be explored. The fracture is believed to have formed around 600 years ago during one of the recent Inyo monocrater's eruptions and probably has little to do with an actual single earthquake event. While called a fault, this massive linear fissure in the Earth's surface is more accurately defined as a fracture, as no movement between the sides is recorded.
I think this is because of the San Andreas fault that the tectonics plate split during an earthquake and the land split into two sections, and you can see the gap between two plates.
The split apart rock of the Mammoth Lakes earthquake fault testifies to the Earth's mighty forces and serves as a record of a dramatic period of geologic unrest. Positioned deep in the forest on rolling foothills flanking the base of Mammoth Mountain, this incredible fissure cuts through hard volcanic rock for several hundred feet and reaches a depth of up to 60 feet. The entire region surrounding the Mammoth Lakes is a geologically active wonderland of fumaroles, hot springs, and earthquakes. From the massive Long Valley caldera to the bubbling geothermal springs of Hot Creek Gorge, a wide variety of the Earth's awesome and breathtaking forces are on display in the Mammoth Lakes. Getting to the earthquake fault is easy and only requires a short drive from downtown Mammoth Lakes. To reach this scenic, awe-inspiring fissure, travel west on State Route 203 heading toward Mammoth Mountain's main lodge. Drive 1.5 miles beyond the village at Mammoth to the well-marked turnoff to the paved parking area on the right-hand side. In winter, the parking area is not maintained and access may be via snowshoes or cross-country skis. In addition to this interpretive hike, the earthquake fault is a fantastic outdoor playground for the young and old alike. Whether picnicking in the shade of the towering pines or setting off on a trek to the Minaret Vista on the 4-mile Mountain View Trail, the endless forests surrounding the earthquake fault offer a sightseeing adventure for everyone. The earthquake fault cuts through volcanic rock, part of a glassy rhyolite lava flow from Mammoth Mountain and formed by tectonic stresses in the Earth's crust. The age of the fissure is unknown, but some of the trees growing in the fissure are around 160 years old, indicating that the crack is at least that old. The sides are jagged, uneroded and lack pumice fill, suggesting it is still very young in geologic time. The fissure runs north and south and lines up with the dike that feed the Inyo domes. Someday the magma might rise to the surface, but it is also possible that the fissure could just slowly fill up with debris. These are the unknowns of geology and what makes this area so exciting. The fault lines up with the Inyo monocraters and is believed to be part of the east-west stretching that is gradually widening the entire basin and region.
So this is a very interesting place. So I am standing right in between earthquake fault. So as you all know, when earthquake happens, the land splits and then a gap is created between two plates, and this is very unique, and they preserved this as a tourist place. You can come here and see the geology around this earthquake fault. It's a short video, but I just want to show you. This is at Mammoth Lakes. It's called Earthquake Fault on the Minaret Road. And if you are driving through US Highway 395, stop here and check this unique natural wonder.
To fully experience the magnificence of this giant gash, I recommend visiting from midsummer through late fall. During winter, spring and even into early summer, the grounds will often be completely covered in snow, obstructing a clear view. The road here may also be impassable during winter months depending on snowfall totals. I completed the trail in less than half an hour, making this an easy and quick stop. I definitely enjoyed my visit here, learned a lot, and I highly recommend this place.
So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel, Live to Travel. As always, see you in the next video. Be careful, be safe, take care, bye bye.
Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.